Samsung just dropped One UI 8.5 Beta 9 for the Galaxy S25 series and Beta 2 for the Galaxy S24 lineup, and this update finally brings one of the most requested features ever, AirDrop support with Apple devices. Yes, you heard that right. If you're using a Galaxy S25 or S24, this update is a pretty big deal. Samsung is not only improving performance, but also adding features that actually make everyday usage smoother and more connected. Starting with availability, the latest ZZD5 build has already started rolling out in India, and Samsung is planning to expand it to more regions, including Germany, Poland, South Korea, the UK, and the US very soon. Now let's talk about what's new. The biggest highlight here is AirDrop compatibility with Apple devices, which means sharing files between Samsung and iPhones is now easier than ever. This is something users have been waiting for a long time, and it's finally here. Moving on to the camera, Samsung has added three brand new filters: Classic Film, Pop Film, and Blank. These filters are inspired by Samsung's latest flagship cameras and give you more creative control while capturing photos. Alongside new features, Samsung has also fixed several annoying issues. Bluetooth connectivity has been improved, so you won't face random disconnections anymore. Notification cards that were previously getting cut off at the top are now properly displayed. There are also fixes for screen flickering and color distortion when zooming during dual recording. Gallery performance has been optimized, reducing lag when opening albums. Samsung has also corrected the always-on display time bug, improved notification behavior when rotating the device, and fixed the issue where the lock screen briefly flashed during incoming calls. Overall, One UI 8.5 Beta 9 and Beta 2 focus on refining the experience with a mix of useful features and important bug fixes, making your Galaxy device smoother, more stable, and more powerful. Now tell me in the comments, are you excited about AirDrop support on Samsung, or do you think it's too late? And if you want more updates like this, hidden features, and the latest Samsung news, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because you don't want to miss what's coming next.